friends, today we are starting a new video of myself grinding in Adopt Me once again. This time I have my friend with me, Panda Queen. Shout out to her inside the comments considering that she hatched a unicorn from a cracked egg that's right in front of you. Now let's get on with the video.
Okay, so I don't know where in the world. Okay, here's my cracked egg. Let's go. Grinding room, grinding room, grinding room, grinding room, grinding room, grinding room. Time to grind. Okay, so my egg has no tasks at the moment.
Yeah, me neither.
Time to dance.
Sure.
Dance, 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 dance.
I'm just going to explore the neighborhood.
Time to dance. There's a disco ball on your roof.
That's cool. I'm just going to walk around the neighborhood.
Time for camping. Let's go to the campsite.
I'm going to open this medium gift while we're there.
Can you mind my again?
Sure.
Is that like you? 4 eggs. 2 eggs. Yeah, 4 eggs. Now teleport to me.
Okay.
Now to campsite. Where's my gift? My gift, my gift. Yes.
And hey guys,
Okay.
and this is Mega Marshy inside my inventory.
I got a leash. Way! I have a million of these.
Gonna open my medium gift.
You got a medium gift for yourself, but get me a small gift.
It was a controller. It wasn't good anyway.
You want to trade?
Sure.
I've got this balloon. Want to offer?
Sure.
It's my rarest balloon. Okay, I'll do it. Oh my gosh, that's such a good offer. Because these are actually out of game. I like to walk on the stairs. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're doing this too! Buy lemonade, get a free tour, people! Buy lemonade, get a free tour! I'm gonna destroy you! Now what are we gonna do? Where's my practice?
We can just we can just do these eggs task.
I'm getting close to get ready for the shower now.
Oh, my cracked eggs needs a shower. And it's almost hatched. This is the donation room.
Granddaddy is sick! Let's bring him to the hospital!
Just need to give my cracked egg a bath.
Mr. Cracked! I don't care about the shower anyway. My cracked egg is just an egg. He's sick, so let's heal him. He needs you. Me too. Ow! You found the beep.
Wow.
Wanna see what I fixed? Let's go to school so we can do that.
Now, as you can see, guys, here is Mega Marshy, the star of this channel.
Now, here is my mega cat. She is the star of the channel, and it also reminds me of my auntie's sad to die. I'm sorry, Kayla. I'm sorry, Kayla's mega cat.
No, it's okay. Tell me when you hatched your cracked egg.
Just tell her up to now what I think. Come on! Finish school! Come on! Come on, you little, I don't know what to call you. Come on! What's it gonna be? It's hatching! It's hatching, and
Wow, it's so cute.
Marcy has a best friend now!
Yeah. Well,
Marsh,
speaking
say
of friends.
hi to Chai.
Speaking of friends, I'm sorry, but we have to go now considering that both of our cracked eggs are now hatched. I hope you enjoyed this video, friends. See you in the next video. Bye.